Make in India, the new Indian scheme 2023, Narendra Modi, who within a matter of months, launched the Make in India campaign to facilitate investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property, build best-in-class manufacturing infrastructure. Make in India recognizes ease of doing business because the most essential element to sell entrepreneurship. A range of initiatives have already been undertaken to ease the business environment. The goal is to delicense and demodify the enterprise in the course of the whole life cycle. Achievements of the Make in India program. Here are some achievements of the Make in India program. Make in India program attracted foreign direct investment, FDI, to India. FDI equity inflow in manufacturing sectors has increased by 76% in FY 2021 to 22, 21.34 billion US dollars compared to the previous FY 2020 to 21, 12.09 billion US dollars. The India Cellular Electronics Association, ICA, in 2018 stated that due to the manufacturing of domestic mobile handsets and components, the country has saved a whopping 3 lakh crore rupees of possible outflow in the last 4 years. The Make in India program has pushed self-reliance in the defense sector. As of 2021, India's defense and aerospace manufacturing market has increased to worth 85,000 crore rupees with a private investment of 18,000 crore rupees. Our defense exports increased to 5,711 crore rupees in 2020 to 21. India had come a long way in the Global Innovation Index, GII, from the 81st rank in 2015 to the 40th rank in 2022. New infrastructure. The availability of modern and facilitating infrastructure is a very important requirement for the growth of the industry. The government intends to develop industrial corridors and smart cities to provide infrastructure based on state-of-the-art technology with modern high-speed communication and integrated logistic arrangements. New infrastructure. Existing infrastructure is to be strengthened through the upgradation of infrastructure in industrial clusters. Innovation and research activities are supported through a fast-paced registration system and accordingly, the infrastructure of the intellectual property rights registration setup has been upgraded. The requirement of skills for the industry is to be identified and accordingly, development of the workforce is to be taken up. Sectoral-specific achievements of Make in India. Some achievements of Make in India are as follows. Aerospace defense, indigenous defense products have been unveiled. The defense procurement procedure was amended. Aviation, there was a 5 times increase in FDI. The National Civil Aviation Policy was introduced to boost regional air connectivity. 160 airports and 18 greenfields airports were approved, and Gagan was launched as well. Biotechnology, first indigenously developed rotavirus vaccine was launched. 30 bio-incubators and biotech parks are supported, and India's first public-private partnership agreement was announced between the Indian Council of Medical Research and Sun Pharma. Automotive, there was a 1.7 times increase in the automobile industry. A major investment by global players such as Ford Motors, Mercedes-Benz, and Suzuki Motors was observed. Food processing, 9 mega food parks were operationalized during 2014 to 2018, 83 cold chain projects were operationalized, and an app called Nivesh Sandhu was launched in 2017. Challenges, 1. Though improved, the ease of doing business in India is not up to the mark. Private firms, especially larger firms, are complaining about regulatory obstacles. There is a shortage of skilled manpower in India. Though the situation has improved, still there is a gap between the demand and supply of skilled manpower. Challenges, 3. Though many industries are planned to be set up and inaugurated, many of those projects are not implemented yet. 4. Many workers in India's manufacturing companies are getting very low wages. Conclusion, the Make in India program is a success in creating a favorable environment for manufacturing companies. Its effect on the Indian economy is clearly visible. The program is helping India in achieving self-sufficiency. Thank you for watching this video. Visit mbagdtopics.com for more. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.